Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about sewing material. Before I do that, I want to remind you to hit the thumbs up button for me, the like button. That way it'll help me out with YouTube's analytics. And stay all the way to the end, because at the end I'll have some links to some videos you might be really interested in. Okay? Alrighty here. Oh, also, if you have any friends, family, relatives, acquaintances that might benefit from these videos, please share it out to them. That way they can get prepared and they won't be coming after your supplies and taking them from your family. Alrighty, so sewing materials. Most of you guys out there are going to go, I don't sew. Well, hey, that's your loss. My mom taught my brothers and I how to sew when we were little kids. I still sew my own stuff. As a Boy Scout, back in the day, they had a sewing merit badge, and you had to sew all the stuff on your uniform, to earn it. All right, so, but sewing material. What materials are you going to use to make new clothes, to make tablecloths, to make curtains, to make quilting material, quilts and stuff, comforters, whatever it is you might need to make after a SHTF situation or a Milwaukee situation, the end of the world as we know it, where there are no more stores functioning for quite a while. So you're going to need to have this stuff on hand to make new clothes for you and your family. All right? So think about that. And guys, talk it over with your better half and find out what sort of materials she would like to have stored in case it comes to that point where she needs to make clothing and she needs to teach you how to make clothing. All right? Excuse me. So, sewing materials, they keep forever. In fact, my wife was going through one of the closets and she found stuff that my grandmother had left to my mom, who then in turn left it to my wife. Some of the stuff is from back in the 60s. Denim, 100% cotton, not denim material, the other, cotton materials that you can make some good shirts out of. Still, primo condition, and now that stuff is worth big bucks, because to get that stuff now costs more. And that's why you store up when things are on sale, when they're cheaper, even with materials, all right? So, before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where over there I got a couple playlists you might be interested in, the emergency preparedness playlist and the how-to playlist. I'm going to put that channel link right up here. Then I'm going to put two other playlists up here for you to share with your friends so they can get prepared and they're not coming after your stuff. Why? Well, this is why.